Lidl's summer offer on Airfix Kit is back for 2024. Let's see what's coming right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm looking at Lidl's offer on Airfix starter sets for summer 2024. If you like the show, and I hope you do, please do remember, give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. Okay, there are 5 kits in this summer's offer. Let's see what there is. First, an absolute classic, icon of the air. It's a Supermarine Spitfire in 1/72nd scale, the very kit that got me back into the hobby a few years back. And here I am now, making videos about it. Then there's an icon of the ground forces, the Willis Jeep. This comes with both an airborne howitzer and a supply trailer in 1/72nd scale. Next, 2 famous tanks that duked it out towards the end of the war. The Sherman Firefly is a British development of the classic American Sherman, specifically designed to take on this, the Tiger I, pride of the Wehrmacht and one of the most formidable armoured vehicles in history. Both of these are the new style starter sets, so come with single-piece tracks to make building easier. And finally, new to the Lidl offer, this is a 1/72nd scale kit of the elegant Tiger Moth biplane. This is an aircraft belonging to the Tiger Club of Great Britain, in which I've actually flown. I'll certainly be trying to get my hands on one of these. Each of these kits retails at just £6.99, and each comes with some water-based acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and a tube of cement. These sets are perfect for the beginner, but also brilliant for the more experienced modeler who might want to be experimenting with building on painting techniques like weathering, but don't want to spend a fortune on a kit to practice on. The offer starts on 25th of August 2024 and will continue probably until stocks run out. Do check with your local store as they may not arrive for a day or two after the offer date due to Lidl's shipping system. There it is. I hope you find some inspiration from that lot. I know I'm going to try and get one of those Tiger Moths. Now, if you've enjoyed the show, and I hope you have, please do remember, give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And to support the channel at no cost to yourself, make sure you've subscribed. If you also hit the bell, you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hope to see you again very soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.